Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream footline cake with different shades of blue. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So this cake was a 6-inch cake, and I did my normal. So what I mean by that is that I stacked it together and I used my buttercream recipe that is linked in my description box down below. So I first did white buttercream. So I did my crumb coat, I did my second coat, pop it in the freezer, made sure that everything was nice and crisp using my scraper. And then I went ahead and did my second coat of a buttercream, which was like a light blue. I used Wilton gel food coloring. So I did that, and then I scraped it with my scraper again, pop it in the freezer just so that it sets, because when you do the other color, the second color, sometimes it has tendency of mixing, so you don't want that. So I always put it in the freezer just to make sure that it sets. And then I did my second color, which well technically would be my third color of buttercream. So in this case I used the same shade of blue, but I actually put a little bit more so it became darker. And then I piped it all the way around and then scrape it off, making sure everything was nice and smooth, and you get that beautiful 3-tone color, which is almost like an ombre effect. So for the top, I just finished the top with edible pearls and a cute little cake topper. The cake topper is from my Etsy store, so you can go ahead and look at that. I have so many toppers there. I also customize and personalize to whatever you guys want. And that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.